there is a lot riding on this, right? Tiffany laid it out well in terms of the weighting that just these three stocks alone have in the S&P. Forget the NASDAQ, and it's 30% of the NASDAQ are Apple, Microsoft, and Alphabet. For the S&P 500, it's 16.2%. I mean, that just raises the pressure a little bit more. And let us not forget, and I know I've mentioned this the last couple of days as well, great earnings reports don't necessarily translate into great stock performance on the other side, as we witnessed last quarter and to some extent the one before.
Yeah, so it's not just tonight that's important. It's the next couple of days, because you have not only Apple and Microsoft and Alphabet, but you have Amazon and Facebook as well. And that's 24% of the S&P 500. Apple is a 6% weighting in the S&P 500. That's huge, right? So, but not only is it a big part of the market, but these have also been the leaders since mid-May in this rotation out of value into growth. And that, as you guys mentioned already, Google is up 55%. The G shares are up 55%. How are the expectations too high? And I do think they are very high, given the outperformance, as I just mentioned. But there is no question in my mind the fundamentals will be strong. Digital advertising is recovering. Travel search is recovering. Cloud is still humming along. 5G just barely began. And retail e-commerce is also in secular growth mode, and that's not going to change anytime soon. So all these companies over the next couple of days all will benefit from a lot of these various different themes. But again, I mean, 60% up 55% for Alphabet. To me, I'm a bit nervous. And look, I'm overweight the name. I do believe it's going to be strong. I do think that they're making market share gains in cloud, and that's very, very bullish. Digital advertising is on the mend. Travel is 15% of search for them. So they have a lot of good fundamentals. It's just that, again, expectations are high. I think of the three names tonight, Apple is the lowest expectation name because well, only it's up 12%, but iPhone build rates have actually been quite strong, and Macs and iPads are also very strong. But to really be a big believer in Apple for the long term, you have to believe the iPhone 13 is going to be a super cycle, and I think that's just unclear. And yeah, we've got China, which is 20% of total revenues, and we have to watch that as well. So to me, I own these. They're not big weightings at this point in time. I think that, though, of these three, Apple is the one that probably can do well.
Yeah, I mean, I'd agree with you only in the sense, I mean, maybe I would disagree in the sense that Apple, yes, it's underperformed relative to the other big names that I've mentioned in the stock performance, but it's up a lot lately, right? So it's sort of ramped a little bit more as we've gotten closer to the report. That in and of itself is something to keep your eye on.
Yeah, but it's up 12%. I mean, Alphabet is up 55%. Microsoft's up 28%.
No, but I'm talking about more recently. So, I mean more recently, right?
Yeah,
Apple lagged all of
right.
those. It lagged those. But then recently, it's not only caught up in terms of near-term performance, it's outperformed over the last month or close to that.
All five of these names have rallied since mid-May. Just go back and look at the charts. And that is the rotation I was talking about, out of value into growth. Kind of interesting today, you're seeing the reverse. Value is outperforming growth. Let's see if it has legs.